So currently I'm working on a old 1 3/8 thick door with the bit key lock, the skeleton type. I removed the lock. That's the cavity. What I like to do is enlarge the cavity. Enlarge the cavity. Then what I like to do is get a 1x1 and size it up and plug it in. I'll show you how it looks. So it's all plugged up, as you see. Now we're going to drill a hole for a doorknob, and I'll show you when the doorknob is on. There's the hole for the doorknob. Now I'll make the side hole. The core of the wood. And the